Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect ManyChat to TikTok. All right, it's actually pretty easy. So first up, log into your ManyChat account. And then once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead over to the left panel, click on Settings. In here under Channels, we have TikTok. So click on TikTok, wait for it to load, and just basically click on Connect. Now it says here, connect your TikTok. Open TikTok right here. And as you can see, as fast as that, it recognizes that my browser right here already got a TikTok account logged in. If not, it will just ask you to sign in, okay? So basically sign in, and once done, you'll be able to see this specific pop-up. So what you're going to do is just give all the necessary permissions and hit on continue. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, it says here, switch your TikTok account to a business one to continue. So once that's done, just hit on the done button right here. Now, if you don't know how to switch, just go ahead and to open up your TikTok account, go ahead over to your profile and then settings right here at the top, at the very top. Click on it, click on business account. And here we have the business account section. Just basically enable it, okay? Enable, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and choose a category. For example, gaming, become a business. And you'll have this pop up, okay? Hit on got it, okay, okay, got it. Now go back, open TikTok once more, and then hit on continue. Wait for it, and it will recognize that your TikTok account is now a business account. As you can see here, it's done. Congratulations, your TikTok is now connected. Hit on get started, or let's start. Look around first. And as you can see here, I now have my TikTok. It says here 3 connected channels. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to settings just for you to see TikTok right here. And here I have it. All right. And that is how you connect ManyChat to TikTok. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.